Hare Krishna, today 12th of July 2020, we shall be reciting from Srimad Bhagavatam 3.7.7. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirahet Nashpraeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavad Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Vavati Nashtuki. एतस्मिन् मे मनो विद्वान् खिद्यते ज्ञानसङ्कटे तन्नः परावृणोद्विभो कश्मलं मानसं महः. एतस्मिन्, in this, may my manah, mind, vidwan, O learned one, khidyate is traveling, agnana, nescience, shankate, in distress, tata, therefore, naha, my, pranuda, clear up, pibhu, O great one, kalmasham, no, kashmalam, illusion, manasam, relating to the mind, mahat, great. Translation purport by His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. O great and learned one, my mind is greatly illusioned by the distress of this nescience, and I therefore request you to clear it up. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshmritamenam Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dati Supadandikam Bandeyam Sri Guru Shida Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagradatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidatam Sajivam Sadhuitam Savadutam Prajan Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitam Cha He Krishna Guruna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastate Tapta Kachana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishwanashade Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangchakalpataro Vishyakrapa Sindhu Vacham Padita Namapavani Vyo Vaishnave Vyo Namo Nama Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaputre Shimajya Pataka Samarita Namani Namacharya Padaya Nitya Kripa Pradhane Gaur Gadadha Madaya Nagar Gram Tane Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaputre Shimati Bhaktivedanta Samarita Namani Namaste Saraswati Gaurvani Pacharani Viseshunyavadi Pasete Tane Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktam Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare एतस्मिन् मे मनो विद्वान् खिद्यते ज्ञानसङ्कटे तन्नः पराणुद्विभो कश्मलं मानसं महः. So Vidura was very much distressed, understanding if Krishna is the Supreme Personality, his consciousness is always pure, he cannot be bewildered at any time, any given time with any circumstances or things like that, then how come the Krishna comes over here and he plays a part of a very ordinary being? But we know Krishna is Nataha Natyadharo Yatha. He is such a great actor, nobody can equal him. So he said to the great sage Maitreya that my mind is really illusioned by the distress of nescience. Whenever there is a vidya, the doubt creeps in. Ashamshaya, samshayatma vinishati. And when there is a samshaya within the heart, actually, the jnana is avritam jnana metena. The knowledge is covered by avritam jnana metena. Jnaneno nityavarina kam rupena kaunteya dusapurena anilena cha. Because of the desire, the lusty desire that we have, the kama that we have, and kama has many different forms. That covers our intelligence and we get illusion. So he said he is also, in the sense he got illusion. How it is possible that living here in the material world, the three modes of matter will never touch him? And he said, now I request you to clear it up. It's called a soul surrender. My dear sir, this is the doubt I have got. Please clear it to me. He knows that his guru, Maitreya, the great sage, the rishi, is competent enough to clear up the doubt. Prabhupada has just two-liner purport. Such mental bewilderment, as represented here by Vidura, takes place for some living entities, but not for everyone. For if everyone were bewildered, there would be no possibility of a solution by the higher personality. Even in the Kurukshetra, the Arjuna was bewildered. It's called Vishad Yoga. This thing came up in his mind, that why it is all about. Why we have to fight? Why have to kill our own kinsmen? Na kangshe vijayam Krishna, na rajam sukhani cha. He says, I have no kangsha for the victory. What is the use of the victory? And he is the same Arjuna who has killed many Rakshasas, Yakshasas in millions when he went to the heavenly planet. And by seeing here his own kinsmen, he is getting that Vairagya. And Krishna is saying, all right, that's very good. See the beauty here, the other day I was telling you, Krishna, the Arjuna wanted to run away, and Krishna just forced him to come back. And here, Uddhava wants to come to Krishna. He's saying, no, you go away. Now, while calling somebody, while sending somebody, the focal point is service, to work for Krishna, whether in union or in seclusion. The service. So Prabhupada is saying that if everybody would get bewildered, then how the devotional service can be installed in this material world. So everybody does not get bewildered, some of them. And then he brings his representative who are free from these dualities of material nature. They have nothing to do with material nature, and they come and they establish, they propagate, and they talk to the people the definitely purpose of life. The purpose of life is not simply to eat, sleep, marry, get byproduct, make house, buy a beautiful car, go for sightseeing, and that's the end of life. No. Even a man on the deathbed, he always wants to live a little more. He wants to do something more. He wants to explore his sense enjoyment. Because duspurena anlena cha. The desires never get fulfilled or satisfied, and that's the reason a living entity, he wants the more release of life. And Krishna said, don't worry, you want a life? I'll give the better body, sharp your senses, you would enjoy. So if there is any doubt, like suppose we are sick, we go to the doctor. But when we have this bhavaroga, we have to go to the doctor who knows the art how to cure this disease. And in the age of Kali, Kalau nasti eva gatiranyatha. In the age of Kali, the only one medicine is chanting the holy name of the Lord, either in the Sabdarup form, or in a book form, or in a physical form. Then only one can get the best benefit out of in this nescience, in the Dukhalaya, and then enjoy the eternity of life even after death. So after putting the question to his guru, Maitreya Muni, now here, next sloka, Sri Sukho Vacha, Sayetam Jodita Chatra, Tattva Jigyasuna Munihi, Pratyaha Bhagavad Chittaha, Ismayan Nivagat Samayaha. Sri Sukha Vacha, Sri Sukadeva Goswami said, Saha, he, Maitreya Muni, itham, in this way, choditaha, being agitated, chatra, by Vidura, tattva jignasuna, by one who was anxious to inquire to know the truth. Munihi, the great sage, Pratyaha replied, Bhagavat Chitta, God conscious, Smayan, wandering, Eva as if, Gatasmayaha, without hesitation. Translation purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Sri Sukadeva Goswami said, O King Maitreya, being thus agitated by the inquisitive Vidura, at first seemed astonished, but then he replied to him without hesitation, since he was fully God conscious. So, coming back to Sukatala, where the great sages have assembled in the assembly of Prachit and Sutta Goswami, and Sutta Goswami referring that on this inquiry about Krishna, when Vidura put forward the question, first the Maitreya Muni was astonished. Oh my God, how come he has not understood who Krishna is? He got bewildered, surprised. This kind of question? But then he understood that there may be some different hidden agenda. So without hesitation, he started replying because he was fully God conscious. Many times the questioner asked for the well-being of others. And as far as Srimad Bhagavatam is concerned, anyone who asks question, anyone who replies, and anyone who hears those replies, they also get the total benefit of life. And total benefit is Krishna Smaranam, or on the higher stage is love of God. And therefore, without any much hesitation, he started replying. So let us see the purport of Srila Prabhupada. Since the great sage Maitreya was filled with God consciousness, he had no reason to be astonished at such contradictory question by Vidura. To him it's a contradictory, right? His associate, he has seen Krishna personally. He has even, he became the host of Lord Sri Krishna in his home. And today he is asking how it is possible for Krishna to do this. So, the question is contradictory. A person knowing. You see? Therefore, although as a devotee he externally expressed surprise, as if he did not know how to reply to those questions, he immediately became perfectly settled and properly replied to Vidura. Yasmin vignanate sarvam evam vignatham bhavati. Mukunda Upanishad 1.3. Anyone who is a devotee of the Lord knows about the Lord to some extent. Not full, some extent. Krishna cannot be known in full. So how much we know Krishna? Tesam sataduktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadhami buddhi yogam tam ena mamopi yantite. Tesam evanukam partham aham agnana jamtamaha nashyami atma bhavasto jnana deepena vasudha. The Lord ignites the jnana within the heart as much as He wants to reveal Himself. Prabhupada said, and the devotional service to the Lord makes him able to know everything by the grace of the Lord. See, we can only know by the grace of the Lord. You see, sometime you may have your popular star, personality. You buy the book to know about them. Or suppose any Vaishnava comes and you have to introduce a Vaishnava. You want to know who is he, and then you introduce. So, Krishna reveals himself to the sincere devotees so that they know him. And after knowing, Samadna Sudurlabha. After knowing Krishna is the cause of all causes. Knowing Ishvara Parama Krishna. That much is more than enough to become a devotee. But then, sometime we want to know Krishna theoretically to answer the question, and sometimes we know Krishna out of love, simple out of love, to render our service to Him. Render by service in what way? Karmana, Mansa, and Vacha. One can render the service. And Krishna is so very easily pleased. He says, Mai arpit mana buddhi. Mana given by Him, buddhi given by Him. And He's saying, just offer your mana and buddhi to me. Work for me. That's it. He's not asking to give millions and trillions. He's not saying that you become mendicant, you leave your house, nothing like that. He's simply saying, Maya arpita mana buddhi. And arpita mana buddhi means constantly thinking of the Lord. Satatam kirtayanto shomam. Yatatansa dridvartaha. And become dridvartaha. I want to know more. And the more we want to know, the more we love chanting. And the more we chant, the more He will reveal Himself by through different agencies. And we will start our love for Lord Sri Krishna. Prabhupada further says, and devotional service to the Lord makes him able to know everything by the grace of the Lord, although a devotee may apparently express himself to be ignorant. He is fully of knowledge in every intricate matter. Namaste Purushamadhyam Ishwaram Prakrite Param Alaksham Sarvabhutanam Antar Vahir Avasthitam. और जितासनो जित श्वासो जित संगो जितेंद्रिय स्थूले भगवते रूपे मन संधारे दिया. और संतः सदैव हृदयेषु विलोकयन्ति. No, these are the many ways that we can know Krishna, and Krishna can reveal Himself. That is the best part of it. And once knowing Krishna, then all our material desire, they get vanquished. No more desire, because He is Nityo Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam Eko Bahunam Yo Vidhati Kaman. He is the only one personality who's providing everything that one may require, whether as a demigod, whether as a human being, a demon, a bird, a beast, a reptile, insects. He is catering the need for everyone. And they are in trillions and trillions in number. And they are scattered throughout the many universes. We only know the 14 planet system. But there are many more. And the inquisitiveness one should have. Etavadet jigyasaya tatya jigyasuna atmanah anyavati rekabhyam yatha syat sarvatra sarvada. A person who is searching after the supreme absolute truth, the personality of Godhead, must certainly search for it up to this in all circumstances, in all space and time, both directly or indirectly. Like the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan, Krishna Kutai. Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? And sometimes they see Krishna themselves. Now it is up to the inquisitiveness that a jiva like us may have, because Krishna is aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam parvartate iti matva bhajate mam buddha bhavan samanvitaha. Krishna says to Arjuna, I am the source of all spiritual and material world. Everything emanates from me. The wise, who perfectly knows this, engage in my devotional service and worship me with their hearts. Sarvasya Prabho means everything that is, chala achala, or anything that can be seen, whether factually or in dream. Krishna says, I am their source. And therefore, a person who wants to know Krishna, he should worship him with his heart and soul. Things are easy if we start. Things become very, very difficult if you find it difficult. Suppose there is a car which has no battery. If you try to push it, the first push is very hard. But once into the motion, then even one finger is more than enough to push the car. So therefore, same is devotional service. To start, there may be some hesitation, there may be some little more problem. But once it's a start, then it becomes a routine. You chant, you read, you write, you hear, you discuss, you dream about, and then all is devotion. Everything is then Haritoshanam. Om Tad Vishnuhu Paramam Padam. And this way we can enjoy the life. And what is the enjoyment of the life? Ante Narayana Smritihi. That is the perfection. If there is no Ante Narayana Smriti, then oh my God, we may have to take many, many births, again come back to the human form, and then start once again. Therefore, it is said that we should not leave any stone unturned. With all our might, with all our right, with all our intelligence, with all our power, we should invest everything in the service of Krishna. And then enjoy the eternity. You will be always in a happiest mood of life. Even in the distress, you will be laughing, my God. Krishna has given me only that much of problem which I can bear. What if he has given me more than that, what I would do? So even in the calamities, Vipada Santutam Sashwat, even in the calamities, the devotee, they are very happy. They say, all right, at least I am getting something, I am not giving away, right? Whether dukkha or sukha, Krishna is giving. And if Krishna is giving, let us accept it. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion, and that ends the translated purport of Srimad Bhagavatam, chapter 3, Canto 3, chapter 7, and text 7 and 8 by His Divine Grace, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. Hare Krishna.